YouTube? This is gonna be a little chill video, POV video with the SI, and we're gonna be talking about some little things about the cars. So yeah, I'm actually in the highway right now. Damn, it's foggy. And traffic, of course. Yeah, so as you guys saw like 2 videos back, my brother did race the WRX in his RS, and he got gapped pretty bad. Like it wasn't even, well, it was kind of close, but not really. So yeah, we didn't expect that. But yeah, I guess that's how it is. We drove the car after, and everything seemed right. We checked everything, and I don't know. I drove it like 2 days ago, and I don't know, man. That thing pulls, for me, like it pulls pretty hard, torque, and it has good top end. But I don't know what the hell that WRX has, but I mean, it did get 373, the WRX on E50, and it pulls good. Well, I feel like the RS pulls harder. Yeah, so I've driven all 3, the WRX, the SI, and the RS, and I don't know, the Fox RF, I feel like it pulls harder than all 3 in torque, and I feel like mine pulls harder, more top end. So in the WRX, I feel like it has like a little bit of both. It has good torque and a good top end, but it doesn't have more top end than my car. That's how I feel like when I drive them. But I don't know, the outcome from the WRX against the RS had me like thinking like how, like I did post a community post of a poll of the MHI Stage 2 Accord versus the WRX, and that video will be going up maybe this week or next week, not sure yet. I'm not sure yet, but should be going up this one or the next one, because they still don't race yet, so I haven't recorded anything. I really want to see that race, how that goes down. Since my brother got gapped against the WRX, I feel like, I don't know, the WRX has a good chance versus the MHI Stage 2 Accord. I did run the Accord. He's making like 400 to the wheel, and it was like neck and neck. They weren't really like long races. It was like a 50 to like 110-ish, and we were like neck and neck. Maybe me by half a car ahead, but it was pretty much neck and neck. So yeah, the WRX against the Silver Accord, the ones that's on stock turbo, WRX just walked away pretty easy. I uploaded that video as well, you guys probably saw it. And yeah, I'm gonna be running the WRX and see how that goes, cause I did run my brother like a couple days ago and again, and I don't know, like they weren't long races, they were short, but like they were like pretty close. Like maybe I was like a car and a half ahead of him, but like not as bad as a WRX. But still, like I said, it was like short. It was like maybe like a 50 to like what, like 100 or like 105. Yeah, they weren't so like long, or 45 to like 105. It was around there. So I feel like top end, I was gonna keep pulling on him, but like I don't know. So yeah, I do want to go against the WRX and see how that goes, because that thing is pulling pretty hard, and it's not even an upgraded turbo, stock turbo. So well, it made 373 on the Mustang dyno, and my car made 360. So I was thinking I almost have the same power as him, but I'm like way lighter. So I was thinking my car was like much faster, but I guess not. I feel like his car is making more though, because 373 for that weight, what weighs like 3,300. So I don't know, maybe since this is a Mustang dyno and they're really usually lower, so maybe like 390-ish on a dyno jet. That's what I'm thinking. Yeah, but still it should have been like neck and neck with the RS at least. But yeah, so that's what I have planned. And the silver Accord you guys saw that went up against my brother's RS, that's like the latest video I have. He will be getting a upgraded turbo in a few 2 or 3 weeks, and he's aiming for like 450-ish to the wheels. He already scheduled a tune with D-Rob for the next, maybe like, I think next month, beginning of next month he scheduled it. So yeah, so he will be going with the Coro turbo. I feel like MHI Stage 2, everybody gets those, and usually they get like 400 on the E30, so 450-ish is what he's like aiming for. So stay tuned for that, because that car's gonna be pretty fast, especially the 10-speed. So yeah, my brother, I don't know, the RS might be getting a upgraded turbo as well. Not sure yet, because his car's probably gonna be pretty much gonna be left behind with the rest of us. So I mean, we're not competing or anything, but just for fun. But he's trying to get his car like faster than what it is right now. So maybe upgrade the turbo next year and see how that goes. Maybe for, I don't know, 430, 440, I think that's fine for that engine, because they don't hold like that. The EcoBoost don't be holding a lot, especially the RS. The ST hold a little bit, I think, more, but the RS, like you can max maybe like around 420-ish or 440-ish on stock block. So yeah, I think that's like pretty safe. So yeah, the SI, my car is, I don't know, it's right. I like how it like drives and everything. I think 360 is good for this car since it's pretty light. So I mean, it pulls like hard. So maybe upgrade a fuel system on that, and aim for like 380-ish, but I think 360 is fine. Maybe, I'm not sure. So yeah. Yeah guys, so those are the runs I'm trying to do and see how that goes. Hopefully I don't get gapped. I'm pretty sure I'm not. So I do want to run the WRX like bad. Yeah guys, so I just wanted to film a little update POV video and just let you guys know what's gonna be coming, and yeah, that's about it. So stay tuned and peace out.